वेलकम टू फार्माटून्स जीपैट नाइपर जी चैनल। कृपया मेरी इस चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो एंड शेयर करो एंड यस डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकॉन ताकि जब भी मैं नया वीडियो अपलोड करूं आपको सूचित किया जा सके। थैंक यू। नमस्कार दोस्तों, फार्माटून्स जीपैट नाइपर जी चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है थैलेडोमाइड ट्रेजेडी। So what is thalidomide tragedy? So it was the drug, it was synthesized in West Germany in 1953 by Kemi Grunethal, named scientist. It was marketed from October 1st, 1957 and in West Germany and sold at least in 46 countries where US was not included. The thalidomide was considered as a wonder drug that provided safe, sound sleep. It was a sedative and that was found to be effective when given to the pregnant woman to combat many of the symptoms associated with the morning sickness. At that time, no clinical testing was available to show that thalidomide molecule could cross the placental barrier and that would be affect the fetus until it was too late. So if you look at the structure of thalidomide, so this is a structure of the thalidomide where one chiral center is present. So as per the rules 2:1, so number of possible isomers, so there are two isomers are possible for the thalidomide. So one is as isomer, another is R isomer. So as thalidomide that produce the sedative effect and to calm the nervousness, while R isomer of thalidomide that produce teratogenic effect and ultimately it causes the birth defect. Now why it happened, let us see in this slide. So basically there are two enantiomers, so both are having a different biological activities and it has been reported. It is only because of both having a different interaction with the specific enzyme present at the site. So enantiomer differ in the arrangement of the atom in the space. Therefore, as enantiomer of thalidomide can feed the active site of the specific enzyme. This is just like a lock and key model and producing the desired effect, that means sedative effect, and it is a beneficial effect in pregnancies. On other hand, what happen, our enantiomers cannot interact with the same site due to it having a different configuration, due to it having a different arrangement of the functional group in 3 dimensions. So due to that it cannot interact with the same site. So as a consequences it fit a different enzyme in active pocket and triggering a different biological effect, and that will produce a toxic teratogenic effect. So friends, this is all about, or this is the history of the thalidomide drug that produced the teratogenic effect. It is my humble request to all of you, kindly like, share and subscribe my video as well as the channel. Thank you.